Okay, very good morning. Continues to the previous video. That means we are designing the how to use the grid layout to design our screen or a dashboard. After that, we need to display the results how it is possible. So this is the very important concept. So how to we are use the grid, table layout to maintain the your results. So that means we are using in HTML or whatever it may be. We are use the table type. Like that only we can use the table layout in your Android to display the your results. So how it is possible means let us design with the your activity or nothing but the results. So in this particular results, I would like to minimize this particular emulator, only display the particular thing is called as a layout. In this particular emulator, we need to be display table layout. How it is possible means we are going to design a table layout. How it is possible, let us take with the syntaxes is nothing but a table layout. If you are, well, better to stop it. Table layout, match with the parent, and in a linear layout we are using the orientation and padding. We give the padding for 16 dp. Why? Because means it is gives us some specific space to arranging the elements properly and neatly. Okay, so that means we are arranging the whatever the things we are arranged, same like that you can use. Next, we would like to give the table layout. Table layout is which is nothing but a two parts. One is nothing but a table layout. Now we need to be create a one row. How it is possible is let us check as the one row table row. Okay, so that means sorry table row. Okay, so table row in generally how to we are arranging table row is nothing but we are with the widgets, but here I am using as a text views, not image views. We are going to use it. So first column name text view, and the text view first column name is nothing but a text. So how it is possible text, so text, the text is nothing but a first column registration number. Okay, let us check with. Okay, I created three tests. One is nothing but a registration number. Second one is nothing but a semester. Yeah, semester. Next one is nothing but a course name. Next one is nothing but a CGPA. Okay, now table row created. See table row and each text view is nothing but a. And if you want to make changes, if you want to make changes anything, so you can change the properties here. Let us check it. Okay, so how to give the some space around the particular property is called as a in table row we need to give the some space. How to give the space? By using a concept is called padding. Okay, I would like to change, give the property name is called padding. That means around the space, the widget around the space will give the 8 dp. 8 dp means now it will look like a, now it is look like a. Now I would like to give the color. Let us check with the text color. uh, Colors red. Now it is blue. Background color, let us check. Now it is like a background, not a background tint. Okay, so you can use the any colors. We are going to website colorshaunted.co. You can use any color. So how to use the colors means, let us check with it. I would like to use this color for table column. Go to the project and go to the values and go to the color. In this color I would like to give the name as color, name as header. Okay, put the hash, don't forget about it. Next, I would like to pick the another color. uh, so this is for body. Okay, color name equals to body hash body. Now I would like to go to the results. I type it as header. Now it is look like good. Now in the place of red I would like to use a white. Okay, good. Now I copy this thing for each text view. I would like to place it. Okay, now it is look like a. Now a table layout I would like to use as a padding, uh, 15 dp. Let us check. Now it is center. See, table layout. Now it is look like a center. Okay, now same. If you want to add more information, just copy this table row and paste it. Now my information not header, it is related to the body. Okay, and white color I would like to use red. Let us check it. Yes, now this information is not a registration number 200, for example 3158. Next, copy the same, delete remaining things. How many columns are there? You require to know registration number, year. Okay, course name and CGPA cut table. Now year, second year or third year, whatever it may be, put it. Next semester, even, put it as even. Year, year, even. Course name is CPDF and CGPA is, let us check it as a 9.5. Okay, now just look like it. Now minimize it, table row, copy, paste. Okay, it look like good. Okay, so now it is look like a table. Now it is look like a table. So see, table rows and table columns. Go to the running devices. Let us rerun the program and let us check with the what is the table. Click on login, click on results. Now it is look like a tabular view. Minimize it, magnet. See, now it is display the results. Okay, you can put it the heading whatever it may be you want. You can put it the heading. Okay, so text view, width match with the parent, height wrap with the content. Okay, the text is nothing but a results. So text alignment center. Next, text size. Text size you can put it as a 34 dp. Next, text color at the rate, you can give as a header color, or otherwise you can put as a body color. Okay, background you can give as a background, a color, header. Now it is good design, look like a good design. Restart the app, it will be display the. Okay, so this is the concept, which is nothing but a how to we can use the table layout and how to we can design the table layout by using a Android with a XML concept. Okay, mm, next one is we are going to create a list view in next video. Thank you.